Welcome to this mini series where I teach you how to use Claude Code for your marketing and your SEO. First video is about memory, and it's one of the things that most people get wrong when using Claude Code. The first thing you want to do is create a folder for the project that you're working on, whether that's your desktop or anywhere else. Let's say I'm working for a website about AI search consultants. You see in the folder, I've got a bunch of information related to the website, how it's built, the business information, the services we provide, yada yada. You want to throw as much information about the project in there, but there's one very important file missing, and that's the CLAUDE.md file. What this is a set of instructions and knowledge about the project itself, whether that's what the business is about and what are the goals that you're trying to achieve in this project. Without that file, every time you open Claude in this folder, it really has no understanding of what you're doing, and you're going to have to repeat yourself back and forth. So how do we build a Claude.md file? You definitely don't type it out. There's one command that you do that's going to create that file for you, and I'm going to show you how you can update it as well. So I'm going to right-click this folder. I'm going to New Terminal at the folder, and I'm going to activate Claude. One of the easiest things to do once you already have all the content and context in that folder is go /init. This is initialize a new Claude.md file. If you hit enter, it's going to read through all the documents, get an understanding of what it is that you're trying to do, and create that Claude.md file. After a couple of minutes, it read everything, it understood the project, and it asked me, can it create it? I'm going to say yes. And meanwhile, let's open up this folder and see magically we've got a Claude.md file. If we open it with any IDE or a coding device, you can see here that it understands the project, and it says this file provides guidance to Claude Code when working with this repository. Not a repository, a file folder, but you get the idea, and it sends the project overview and everything like that. Now, what happens if you work more with this, you add more content, you want to add more perspective to this folder, this MD file, you want things to remember about this? You tell it, you say, hey, can you remember this about this project, or can you add this to your MD file? That way next time you open this project, it's going to have all that context. Follow along for more.